morning. It's Tuesday, January 13th, and you're watching AGORACOM TV. My name is Jim Heron. I'll be your host for today. We've got 3 stories, 1 from the U.S., 2 from Canada. So let's get to them today. From the OTCBB, we have China Sun Group High-Tech Company, which trades under the symbol CSGH on the OTCBB. They announced their second quarter results that ended November 30th, 2008. Their revenue for the 3 months ended November 30th was $7.6 million. That's an increase of 42% from $5.3 million in the comparable period of last year. Their net income for the 3 months was $1.8 million, an increase of 145% from $738,000 from last year. And their second quarter basic and diluted earnings per share was 3 cents as compared to 1 cent. Their 6-month numbers, their year-to-date 6-month numbers, are $18.5 million, which is of revenue, which is 104% increase from last year's $9 million total. And their net income for the 6 months is $4.1 million, an increase of 204% from $1.3 million that they announced last year at this time. Their 6-month diluted and basic earnings per share was 8 cents as compared to 3 cents. A quote from Mr. Bin Wang, which is a CEO of China Sun Group: in the first half of fiscal 2009, our net profits grew 204% despite the great challenges faced by companies in this depressed economy. DLX has forged ahead and proven its ability to capitalize on its new growth opportunities emerging in China and other developing nations. A little bit about China Sun Group. They produce anode materials which are used in lithium-ion batteries. The company, according to the Chinese Battery Industry Association, is the second largest cobalt series production capacity in the People's Republic of China. They traded yesterday at 46.5 cents. Their 52-week high and low are $1.51 to 26 cents, a market cap of $24.84 million. That's China Sun Group High-Tech Company, which is traded on the OTCBB under symbol CSGH. Moving on to Canada. From the Venture Exchange, we have Bard Ventures, which trades under the symbol CBS. They are pleased to provide their first independent National Instrument 43-101 compliant resource estimate on their Alaskite Zone Moly mineralization from their Lone Pine property, which is located 15 kilometers northwest of Houston, BC. The highlight here is their measured and indicated 110,340,000 tons, grading of 0.083% of moly. You could check out that press release further on Bard Ventures News on the Venture Exchange on the symbol CBS. Bard Ventures is a small cap TSX Venture listed mineral resource company with acquisitions in British Columbia. It's Vancouver based, and primary mining focus is in the Lone Pine Moly project, and its drilling is underway. Their price yesterday was 8 cents. Their 52-week high and low, 24 cents to 2.5 cents, a market cap of $7.0 million. Bard Ventures is an AGORACOM client for full disclosure purposes, so please check out Bard Ventures and do your own due diligence. Our last story today is Tirex Resource Limited. They trade on the Venture Exchange on the symbol TXX. Tirex Resources' first hole in the new zone intersects 61.5 meters of mineralization, including strong copper, zinc, gold, and silver grades. The highlights here are 61.5 meter section grading 0.57% of copper, 1.56% of zinc, and 0.7 grams per ton of gold. It includes 2.5 meters grading of 2.86% of copper, 3.09% of zinc, and 2.0 grams per ton of gold. And it also has a 1.9 meter grading of 0.24% copper, 4.38% zinc, and 6.0 grams per ton of gold. And a further 8.2 meter grading of 3.47% of zinc and 1.9 grams per ton of gold. Tirex Resources trades on the Venture Exchange on the symbol TXX. Yesterday they traded at 81 cents, 52-week high and low, $4.17 to 21.5 cents, a market cap of $25.388 million. Those are our stories for today. Please join us again tomorrow for some more great small cap news.